Hi, I am Carlyn Melgar, and I am going to demonstrate what are the works of basic functions in Microsoft Excel 2010. But before I proceed, let us know that figuring out formulas for calculations you want to make in Excel can be tedious and complicated. Fortunately, Excel has an entire library of functions or predefined formulas you can take advantage of. You may be familiar with common functions like sum, average, product, and count, but there are hundreds of functions in Excel, even for things like formatting text, referencing cells, calculating financial rates, and analyzing statistics. In this lesson, you'll learn one of the very basic works of function, the AutoSum, and familiar how to search and find various functions, including exploring Excel's functions library. Functions library. There are hundreds of functions in Excel, but only some will be useful for the type of data you're working with. There is no need to learn every single function, but you may want to explore some of the different types to get the ideas about which ones might be helpful to you as you can create new spreadsheets. A great place to explore functions in the function library on the Formulas tab. Here you can search and select Excel functions based on categories such as financial, logical, text, and date and time. But it depends on your worksheet that you are going to make. And based on my example, with the use of my example, I don't need this function library. For what I'm going to do is, I just wanted to know the total number of students. And what I have to do is, but if I'm going to calculate it manually, it may take time. So what I am going to do is, I just have to drag it from here down to here and click the AutoSum. And because I wanted to know the total of it all, I click sum. But if I wanted to know just the sum of these two, the sum of the cell B and row 2, I just have the equal and click it and have the operations sign and then equal. So it is correct, indeed 11. So the use of AutoSum, it commands or allows you to automatically return the results for a range of cells for common functions like sum and average. So let us know the average. If I wanted to know the average of it all, same process, I'm going to drag it from here down to here and then click the AutoSum and then the average. And so the results appear. So that's all, and my topic will just end it here. Thank you and God bless. Bye.